Hey, wait, don't screw. Why you won't screw now? Why you won't screw? You know what, Mablo? All right, so we have a very beautiful question here. Good morning, guys. So the question implies that square root of x plus y plus square root of x minus y equals to 4. And we are asked to find what x squared minus y squared. You can see this difference of 2 squared equal to what? Equal to 9. So from here, x, we have to find the value of x and the value of what? Y. So let's solve it together. So we start with what? Solution. So we now have here square root of what? X plus y plus square root of what? X minus y equals to what? 4. Now what do we do to take off these radicals here? That's the squares here. Simply square both sides to simplify that. So this square now, sorry, if we square both sides of this by expanding this, you understand? This is what you're going to have. You're going to have x plus y plus x minus y plus 2. All right? Square root of what? X squared minus y squared equals to 4 squared here is what? 16, right? So if you collect items, you see that this guy and this guy is gone. That's plus y minus y. So what is left here is x plus x. So we have 2x plus 2 square root of what? X squared minus y squared equals to what? 16. So if I factorize this, you know that 2 is common. 2 is common here. So let's factorize it. Plus 1 square root of what? X squared minus y squared equals to what? 16. So we can divide both sides by what? 2. These 2 will cancel this, and these 2 will cancel here. There is 8. So let's use this side. So what is left there now is just x plus 1 square root of what? Originally, you know that x squared minus y squared here is what? Is 9. So we just put it here. 9 equals to what? 16. Very simple. So from here, square root of 9 is what? Is 3 bar. So we now have x plus 1 into 3 equals to what? 16. Or is it 16? Is 8, sorry. Is 8, not 16, because we have already divided by 2. So from here, we now say x, 1 times 3 is what? 3. That will be x equals to 8 minus 3. When these 3 now cross over to this side, so that will be x equals to what? 5. Very simple. So we now have the value of x to be 5. What's the value of y? So the value of y will be x squared minus y squared. I think you should solve this one by yourself. You can solve this, right? I think the answer is going to give us positive or negative whatsoever. But just solve it and drop your answer in the comment section. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.